Parallel work. Agile teams will be working in parallel on the same system, not only different parts of the system leading to shared data, but also on the same parts of the system leading to simultaneous update and double maintenance. Agile में क्या होता है कि हम इसमें क्या होता है कि सेम सिस्टम पे जो टीम्स हैं सेम सिस्टम में पैरेलली वर्क करती हैं, ठीक है, मतलब सेम पार्ट पे हाँ सब पैरेलली वर्क करती हैं, फिर ठीक है, तो उसको उस सिस्टम को अपडेट करना, ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं उसमें चेंजेस करना, इस पे पैरेलली वर्क करती हैं. The most common way of letting people work in parallel is not to have collective code ownership, but private code ownership and locking of files that need to be changed. This leads to a split and combined strategy where only one person owns some specific code and is allowed to change it. Industry believes that this solves the problem, but the shared data problem Bapis show that even which apparently safe practice has its problem. Example, combining the splits. These problems are obviously present if you practice parallel work as well. In addition, we have to solve the simultaneous update problem and the double maintenance problem when people actually work on the same files in parallel. तो जब एक फाइल सेम फाइल पे जब लोग काम कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टीम सेम फाइल पे काम कर रही हैं, तो उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स अराइज हो सकती हैं, जैसे कि साइमल्टेनियस अपडेट, जैसे एक टीम ने अपडेट किया और उसी टाइम दूसरी टीम ने भी अपडेट कर दिया, या फिर डबल मेंटेनेंस प्रॉब्लम आ गई, दोनों तरफ से मेंटेनेंस कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स अराइज हो सकती हैं, ठीक है. तो द शेयर डेटा प्रॉब्लम अराइज हो सकती है. So the shared data problem fairly simple to solve. If the problem is sharing, then isolate yourself. Create a physical or virtual workspace that contains all of the code and use that to work in splendid isolation from other people's changes. Obviously, you cannot ignore that other people make changes, but having your own workspace, you are in command of when to take in those changes and will be perfectly aware of what is happening, ठीक है. शेयर डेटा के केस में, ठीक है, अगर प्रॉब्लम शेयर हो रही है तो क्या होता है कि एक को देन अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर ले, मतलब एक लोग अपने आप को अलग कर ले, और ठीक है. तो मतलब जो जो अदर पीपल जैसे चेंज कर रहा है, तो अगर आपको पता चल रहा है कि इसमें चेंज हो रहा है, तो आप क्या करें, वहां पर आप स्टॉप कर दें, ठीक है, मतलब अपने वर्क स्पेस पे उस पे मतलब वहां पर उसको स्टॉप कर दे कुछ देर के लिए, मतलब उसको देखे क्या हो रहा है और खुद उसमें कोई चेंजेस ना करें. देन simultaneous update problem only occurs for collective code ownership where more people make changes to the same code at the same time. Again, the solution is fairly simple. You must be able to detect that the latest version commonly found in the central repository is not the version that you use for making your changes. If that is not the case, it means that someone has worked in parallel and has put a new version into the repository. If you add your version to the repository, it will shadow the previous version and effectively undo the changes done in that version. If you do not have versioning, the new version will simply overwrite and erase permanently the other person's changes. Instead, you must integrate the parallel changes and put the resulting combined change into the repository or file system. There are tools that can help you in performing this merge. The double maintenance problem is a consequence of the protection from the shared data problem. In the multiple workspace, we will have multiple copies of every file, and according to Babbage, they will soon each to be identical. Then when we make a change to a file in one workspace. We will have to make we have to make the same change to the same file in all the other workspace to keep the file identical in all copies. It sounds complicated, but is really simple, even though it requires some discipline. Once you have made a change, you put it in the repository, and sooner or later, the other people will take it in from it in from the repository and integrate it if they have made changes in Parallel. See the simultaneous update problem. A special case of Parallel work is distributed development when the developers are physically separated. This situation is well known in the SCM community, and the described solution are equally applicable to distributed development as to parallel work. There are solutions that make tools scale to this setting as well. Distributed development is thus not different from parallel work from a SCM perspective. As long as these development process that SCM supports scales to distributed development. In summary, we need a repository where we can store all the shared file and a workspace where we can change the files. The most important aspect of the repository is that it can detect parallel work and that it can help us in sorting out such parallel work. Also, it should be easy and simple to create whole workspaces. Most version control tools are able to do that, and there is no need to use locking, which prevents real parallel work. Since optimistic sharing works well, we must thus choose a tool that can implement the copy merge work model.